video, I'm answering the question which is coming from complex numbers. So the question is saying, given that z1 is equal to root of 3 plus I, and z2 is equal to 1 minus I root of 3, then it is saying express z1 and z2 in the polar form. So when you have been taught to express z1 and z2 in polar form, the first thing is very, very important to write the polar form. So polar form are in the form of z being equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. So it's very, very important to remember this formula or the format of the polar form. So now our job here is to find r and theta. That's all. Then express them in this form. So let me start with z1. So for z1, I'm going to find r, which is going to be r1, and also theta, which is going to be the angle. So r is equal to root of x squared plus y squared, where x is going to represent the real part and y is going to represent the imaginary part. For z1, we know that z1 is equal to root of 3 plus I. So meaning the coefficient that we have here is just 1. So I'm going to say r is going to be equal to root of x root of 3 squared plus 1 squared. What is root of 3 squared? We are going to get 3. Then 1 squared, we are going to get 1. So 3 plus 1, we are going to get 4. And what is the square root of 4? It's going to be 2. Of course, we know that the square root can be both negative and positive. But for complex numbers, take it as positive always. So meaning we know that our r here is what? 2. Now it's very, very important for you to know the theta. Before even determining the theta, it's very, very important for you to plot a complex number. So we have z1 being equal to root of 3 plus I. So to plot this one, we are going to use the Cartesian plane. So for Cartesian plane, the x-axis represents the real part and the y-axis represents the imaginary part. This one is the real part and this one is the imaginary part. And the coefficient that we have here is 1. So you can just imagine that 1 is somewhere here. And here we can imagine that root of 3 is somewhere here. So we can just say we are going to have something like this one. Then here we draw a triangle. And a theta is formed at this point. So here we have 1, then here we have what? 3.